The purpose of this video is to demonstrate a feature in the Forecast Integrator that allows you to download both budgets and forecasts. This allows you to view your approved budget during the reforecasting process. So I'm going to start with downloading my approved cost budget. This criteria will do. I don't need to put the plan type because I only have one plan type for costing purposes. Now this form here allows me to choose the source. So we said we're going to download the budget first. So we'll choose that and select it. Okay, there is our approved cost budget. I'm going to copy these details down below and get my forecast. Download my sheet. Change to forecasts. Then I'll clear the criteria. So there we have my budget up front. I can tell it's my budget because this is a budgeting plan type and I have no ETC start date. So this is my budget data followed by my forecast data. With this layout, I'm going to demonstrate how you can handle multiple projects at the same time in the layout. So we want to use these 4 projects and download their budgets and their working forecast versions. So we'll do the budgets first. So I'm just going to grab this status here. I know this one doesn't have a baseline one for some reason, but these do. So this is my criteria. Download. We'll get the budgets first. Right, so we have the budgets we want. I'm just going to copy these down here and we'll get the forecast. Now I want the current working version of my forecasts. Change that. Great, so here are my forecast versions as well. So we have 4 budget versions and 4 forecast versions. I want to show you how we can handle wildcards to get more than just one status, just as an example. So let's say we want both the current working and the current baseline. I'm just going to use % there. We're back to budgets. There we are. So we have current working and current baseline versions downloaded. We could use wildcards on any of these columns.